Hey guys, it's Megan from Traveling Our Purdy World, and today I am here to tell you all about Norfolk, which is Carnival Cruises' newest cruise port for 2025. So follow along and I will tell you everything that you need to know about Norfolk. Thanks, guys. So, like I said, Carnival is now sailing out of Norfolk starting on February 11th, 2025. There are a couple different kinds of sailings. There are sailings to Bermuda, there are sailings to the Bahamas, the new Celebration Key. I believe that starts sailing out of Norfolk in the fall, early fall. There's sailings to the Eastern Caribbean, Canada, some really cool ones like Amber Cove, San Juan, and St. Thomas, and sailings are now open until April 2027. So the city of Norfolk has done an amazing job at trying to get cruisers to actually visit the city of Norfolk and not just get on the cruise ship and leave. They want you to explore and see everything that Norfolk is all about because it's a really cool city. I've been there a few times and there's just really it's really cool. The downtown area is really nice and hip and there's a lot to do. So the city of Norfolk has put together this um, excursion type thing where basically you have your boarding pass for your cruise once you have your cruise booked and everything. If you go down to any of these activities on here, shopping, dining, coffee, attractions, and you show your boarding pass for your cruise, they will give you a discount. I don't know exactly what the discount is, it varies from place to place, but they will give you a discount. So that is really exciting news. So the city of Norfolk is adding more and more places to this list. So check out their website and that is their mission, to add as many attractions and activities as possible. So check them out and go out and explore Norfolk. So if this is the first time for you sailing out of Norfolk on a cruise ship, there is something that's kind of cool and unique to the cruise port in Norfolk is that there is a Battleship Wisconsin right beside the cruise ship. So as you're getting on the cruise ship, you will see to the right is this really cool battleship. It's huge and you can go and take tours. And again, this is another one of those places where you show your boarding pass and you save on your admission there. So check it out. If going on a cruise is not enough boat time for you, look at this, Norfolk Harbor Cruises. So Norfolk, Folk. I just found out it's called Norfolk, not Norfolk. It's Norfolk. Okay, anyways. So Norfolk has harbor cruises that are like 1 or 2 hour cruises. You can do it for lunch. You can rent out the cruise ship. You can do all kinds of stuff. So this is a very good option for you, for the cruise lovers. So if my presentation swayed you to go on a cruise out of Norfolk, then here's a slide you want to see. How do you get to Norfolk? You can take an airplane and fly into Norfolk International Airport. You can take a train, Amtrak train, or you can take a Norfolk light rail. So this table shows, your different options and then how far away from the port. And you can also drive. If you live close by, you can drive. It's a very easy port to get in and out of. And yeah, it's a good option for anyone in North Carolina, South Carolina, Virginia, Maryland, Pennsylvania, anyone down the East Coast. So, if you have decided that you are cruising out of Norfolk and you've gotten here and now you need to park, you need to know where to park. So, you need to park at the Cedar Grove parking lot. There's a designated parking lot for cruise passengers. The rate is $15 per day per car. So, if you have 3 cars that are parking with your group, each of them will pay $15 a day. It is not per cabin, it is not per group, it is per car. So that is that. Shuttle buses will be provided. We cruised out of Norfolk a couple years ago and it was kind of a weird situation. We thought that the port was getting changed, and they did change some things. We don't know exactly what, because it sounds like you're still getting on shuttle buses. So what happened back in 2023 at Norfolk was we would park in the parking lot, take our luggage to a luggage area in the parking lot. The luggage would get put on a shuttle bus, which at that time was school buses, like for the college. So the suitcases and stuff would either get put underneath of the shuttle bus that you're going to be riding on, or they would be put into U-Haul um, bus thingies. And then somehow it's going to get over to the cruise port and loaded on the cruise ship. So that's how your luggage gets there. You, as a passenger, will get on a shuttle bus and take you over there. Now, the drive from the parking lot to the cruise terminal was about a 10-minute drive. So it's not very far, but there's no bathrooms on it. There's no, TVs or anything. It's just like a nice school bus. It wasn't amazing, but it wasn't terrible. At that time, the one that we were on did have air conditioning, so it wasn't super hot, so that was nice. But it is a shuttle bus, and it is not going to be comfortable. It's a shuttle bus, so just keep that in mind. That that is the process at this current time. Um, and then also you need to make sure for your luggage that you have your luggage tags on the luggage before you get to the area you drop off the luggage, because you need to have, your room number, your name, all that. You don't have to worry about typing all that up. Carnival has a area when you check in for the cruise, and they provide luggage tags. You just have to print them, cut them, and then attach them to your bags. But there is special directions for that, and we will be posting a video when we do that in a couple days. But yes, so that is the parking situation. It wasn't bad, it wasn't amazing, but it did the job. And then when the cruise is over, you basically will do everything in reverse. So you'll get off the cruise ship, then you'll catch a shuttle bus back to the parking lot, and your luggage will be in that bus, like in the undercarriage of it. So you won't have to wait for your luggage. It'll be there, or they'll provide information about that, because again, it's changing supposedly. So we will see. We're going on the first sailing for Norfolk, and we will provide information. But that's what we know. So I hope I did not bore you in this video, and I hope I did not go too off topic, because my husband is here snickering, acting like I went way off topic and the video was way too long. But I hope you stuck through it with me, and I hope you learned something, and my next videos will be a little bit better. This was just a one-off video. My husband would not do it with me for some reason today. He just was not feeling it, which is okay. That is fine. He is working on house projects, so if you see in the background all this wood everywhere, it's because we are always doing house renovations. But anyways, see, I'm going off on a tangent again. Okay, so I hope you learned about Norfolk, and I hope you enjoyed it. And we are cruising on February 8th, 2025, and out of Norfolk. So we will tell you all about our experience boarding the ship, how Norfolk was, and then how the Carnival Sunshine was. So we will post that probably the week after we get back, and we hope you will join and watch our video. And then I just always like to tag this. We are travel agents. We have been on dozens and dozens of cruises and all-inclusive resorts. So if you ever need a travel agent who knows the ins and outs of the different resorts and cruise ships, we are here for you. My husband Sean and I, Megan, we love to cruise and love to travel, and we love to help others. So feel free to reach out to us if you need any travel help, and we will definitely help. Our email is listed here, but it is travelingourpurdyworld@gmail.com. And thanks so much, guys, for watching. We love you, and we really appreciate that you would support us. Thank you, guys. Have a great day. Bye.